Hi, I'm Jeffrey Knight with Ewing Irrigation, and in this video I'm going to show you how to roll out drip tubing without having to stake it down every 3 feet. Because drip's in a coil, it's going to want to stay like that until it's had a chance to lay out in the sun long enough to lay flat, and no one has time for that. So I'm going to show you a little trick on how to avoid that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill this tubing up with water, and I'm going to let the weight of the water hold the tubing down. So to make that happen, I have a female hose fitting that's going to push on the end of the hose. And then I have a figure 8 that I'm going to use to crimp the end. This fitting is a compression fitting that just pushes over the end of the tubing. Okay, so now all we're going to do is connect this to a garden hose. And then we're going to turn the garden hose on and let the water free flow out of the end. That's going to push all the air out and any kind of debris that's gotten inside of the tubing. Once the water's flowing nice and clean, we're going to take this figure 8 end closure. It goes right over the end. We'll crimp the hose, and that's how we'll cap it off. Okay, so now the weight of the water will let this tubing lay down flat. So you can see the tubing is a lot easier to work with. I'm Jeffrey Knight with Ewing Irrigation, and I'll see you soon with another video.